this the most luxurious makeup launch ever? I think so. Louis Vuitton sent me their new La Beauté collection. For you who are new here, I'm the publisher and founder of Beauty Kate, host of podcast Beautiful Inside, and I'm a beauty and health journalist with over 25 years of experience for the likes of Vogue and Glamour magazine. So let's get into it. First of all, the heft. This is one heavy press kit and it is stunning. It's multi-layered. There's a mirror. Underneath the mirror, when I heard that Louis Vuitton was launching a $265 lipstick, I nearly choked on my coffee. The eyeshadow compact is $420. So is it worth it? It's written an article about their full collection with comments from Pat McGrath, who designed the collection. Head to the website and read the full article. But let's try it on and I'll give you my thoughts in a nutshell. So when the courier arrived with this incredible gift, it's the press kit. Very heavy, very luxurious in that beautiful signature red. Indulgent packaging whispers, this is not your average lipstick. Mais oui, it's Louis Vuitton. The maison that turned travel trunks into icons and handbags into heirlooms. And now, with Dame Pat McGrath at the makeup helm, arguably the most influential makeup artist alive, Vuitton is signalling that this makeup too can be collectible, covetable and enduring. As Pat put it, makeup is culture, it's power, it's presence and it's personal. And while the outer casing is very pricey, the refills, sustainable, are $115 for the lipstick or $150 for the eyeshadow. It makes it a little bit more palatable. They've debossed the address details on the lipstick itself. Usually these are stickers. The first thing I noticed was the weight of it. It's more of an object art than a beauty product. This shade, 203 Red Odyssey, is probably the most wearable for me. And there's a satisfying click when you open it. It's creamy, it's really hydrating, it's infused with hyaluronic acid and shea butter. Next up is Rouge Louis. It's a very classic matte red. Lovely for a statement look, and it really pops. It makes my teeth look extra white. Finally, we have a deep dark LV red, the same color as the coffret. Monogram Rouge. Probably not something I wear every day, but it's lovely for a statement. The eyeshadow compact is stunning. All the cases are designed by Konstantin Grcic, the German industrial designer that's more often associated with sculptural furniture. I love the way the refills work. There's a little switch on the back and then it pops out and you can actually mix and match the shades. So if you buy a couple of different refills, you can create your own custom palette, which is what I will definitely be doing. So the first palette is Monogram Rouge and I give it a little try. The red colour is very dark and needs a bit of blending. I might swap it out for the other refill, which is Beige Memento, which is stunning, easy, goldy bronze shades, perfect for everyday use. So final thoughts. Why is it so expensive? Because Vuitton isn't just selling lipstick. It's selling an object of desire, collaboration with creative heavyweights, the luxury experience, the weight, the heirloom case, makeup as a status symbol. Probably not justifiable for most of us in the weekly shop, but for beauty obsessives, Vuitton devotees, collectors, or those who treat makeup as a ritual, it's irresistible.